The Department of Migrant Workers and Ministry of Health of Singapore are set to sign a Memorandum of Understanding for the recruitment of healthcare workers from the Philippines.
We are enthusiastic in this forthcoming signing of the Memorandum of Agreement on the recruitment of Filipino healthcare workers with the Ministry of Health.
These healthcare workers will be deployed across public, private, and non-profit healthcare sector in Singapore. According to Singaporean Ambassador to the Philippines, Constancy, in recent years, Singapore has required between 3,000 to 4,000 nurses. While not all positions will be filled by Filipinos, Singapore prepares Filipino healthcare workers due to their natural caregiving abilities.
We welcome nurses from around the world, but also especially in the Philippines. I think your skills in English language, for instance, and the very natural way you care and nurture for people have made Filipino nurses very sought after, and they are often very much the preferred choice as well.
As of the latest estimate, there are approximately 215,000 Filipinos in Singapore, with 84% of them being Overseas Filipino Workers or OFWs. Among these numbers, 60% are professionals and 40% are domestic workers. According to the 2022 OFW report from the Philippine Statistics Authority, out of 1.96 million OFWs worldwide, Singapore ranks second as a top destination in Asia and leads among ASEAN countries. Singapore also ranks second in terms of remittances from OFWs, having remitted 2.36 billion pesos. The Department of Migrant Workers expresses gratitude to Singapore for their continuous care and support towards OFWs in their country.
We are also thankful to the Singaporean government and the Ministry of Manpowers for the various recent measures they placed to further protect our OFWs. We know for sure that tighter workplace safety measures are in place, tougher action to penalize companies for worksite lapses, and requirements for accommodation as proof prior to proof of acceptance of an employee to Singapore.
In Singapore, any employers proven guilty of abusing domestic workers faces double penalties to ensure justice and protects migrant workers' rights. Today marks the beginning of Philippine-Singapore Week, which will conclude on Friday, July 19.
So if the offense is 1 year jail, for instance, the person would have to face 2 years in jail if the victim is a migrant domestic worker. I think we are probably the only country in the world that has such a law, and we are committed, and this shows our commitment to protecting the migrant domestic worker.
Ryan Lacanlale, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.